Enabling text message monitoring with AT&T.
Hello there. Today, we're going to walk you through how to enable text message monitoring with AT&T. This feature can be incredibly useful, especially for parents who want to keep a close eye on their children's messaging activities. Please remember that this should be done with the consent of all parties involved to respect privacy.
What is text message monitoring?
Text message monitoring is a service that lets you keep track of incoming and outgoing text messages on a particular device. This could include details like the sender or recipient's number, the time of the message, and the message content. It's important to note that as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, AT&T's official services do not allow for direct text message content monitoring due to privacy and legal reasons. They do provide usage reports which include details like number of messages sent and received and from which numbers.
How to access AT&T's usage reports.
To access these reports, you'll need to log into your AT&T account. 1. Go to the AT&T's official website. 2. Sign in to your AT&T account with your user ID and password. 3. Once you're in, navigate to the My AT&T tab, then select Usage and Recent Activity. 4. In this section, you'll find the Data, Talk, and Text logs. You can choose the number for which you want to see the logs. 5. These reports can then be viewed online, or you can opt to have them sent to your email regularly. Remember, these logs will only give you information about the number of messages and the numbers they were sent to and received from. They will not give you the content of the messages.
Are there any third-party apps for more detailed monitoring?
Yes, there are several third-party applications that offer more detailed text message monitoring. These can provide insights into the content of text messages and more. However, use these apps responsibly and only with the consent of the monitored parties. Enabling text message monitoring can be a powerful tool for ensuring safety and responsible use of mobile devices. However, always remember that privacy is a right and this tool should be used ethically and responsibly. We hope this video guide helps you understand how to enable this feature with AT&T. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tech guides.